Hey, it's Shubami from Parallel Leads, and in this video, I will be explaining the inbox section in Rich Inbox. So, the one box inbox is where all the replies from prospects comes in. So you click on it. So once you are there, this shows the conversation between you and the prospect. As you can see, this is what they have replied, and these are the previous messages. So the first thing you want to do is to identify the type of response, maybe positive, negative, or probably if it's neutral. So right here we have, for example, this particular response. It resulted into a positive one. So if that is being done, you are going to contact probably like the profile owner, and you make sure you update the master sheet and you communicate it to the group so that further actions can be taken. So right. So while you are actually responding to prospect message, this is where you're going. Once you click, let's click on this. Sorry. So once you click, you click on the reply, and you're going to preview whatever you write. You make sure you preview the email so that the formatting and everything is going to be in order and everything will be aligned. So basically, the goal is to keep the conversation going and move towards booking a call. Like obviously, while you're doing this, you will not want to be all salesy. You want to build the relationship first, then you can help them solve whatever problem they might have identified or they might have expressed to you. Yeah, so your response should be clear, relevant, and based on what the prospect has said. You should not always like just pick out random AI response. You should, yeah, that is actually good for constructing or drafting a good response, but you will also want to like use your own initiative, and you should blend it to what the prospect wants to hear. So yeah. Also, one thing you should also keep in mind is that the sorry, one thing you should also keep in mind is that the inbox should be always left at zero. So anytime you get a anytime you get a response, this is a like it's gonna show like red. Like it's gonna you're gonna see a message right here, a red. Let's say it was three messages, you're gonna see three right here. So always make sure that the inbox should always be kept at zero. All the responses should be handled the same day the prospect has replied, so that you can keep conversations active right here. So, in summary, just make sure you are replying to the prospect quickly. You understand what the prospect is saying, so you can draft a good reply to that. And also, after that is being done, you move them to the next step. So, yeah, that's just a quick overview of how we manage responses in inbox. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.